Hello everyone, I am Mrs. Ekta with my new video from the plant physiology. In this video, I am going to take the quick review of the topic enzyme. Good luck for your NEET exam. Give the pause to the negative marking. All enzymes are protein, but few are in the form of ribozymes. What are ribozymes? Almost all enzymes are protein, as some nucleic acids behave like enzymes. They are called ribozymes. Enzymes have primary, secondary and tertiary structure like proteins. Mainly tertiary like structures are present to perform the different activities. Inorganic catalysts work efficiently at high temperature, while biocatalyzed, these are enzymes, get damaged at high temperatures. Enzymes increase the rate of any biochemical process by lower down the activation energy. Energy difference between substrate and transition state is known as the activation energy. Enzymes generally function in a narrow range of temperature and pH. Michaelis and Menten constant Km is equal to concentration of substrate at which enzymatic reaction attain maximum velocity. Competitive inhibitors are used in the control of bacterial pathogens. Sulfa drugs are competitive inhibitors of para-amino benzoic acid PABA, which is required by bacteria to produce folic acid for their growth. PABA is the abbreviation of para-amino benzoic acid. PABA is abbreviation of para-amino benzoic acid. According to modern classification, enzymes are classified into 6 classes and each class has 4 to 13 subclasses. According to this classification, each enzyme has a specific 4-digit number which indicate the position of enzyme in classification. For example, hexokinase has 2.7.1.1 number. That 4-digit number classification of enzyme is called the Ekta number. It is stand for the Enzyme Commission. This number is used to identify and classify enzymes based on the chemical reactions they catalyze. The first digit indicates the main enzyme class. The second digit specifies the subclass. The third digit further defines the reaction, and the fourth digit uniquely identifies the specific enzyme within that category. 6 classes are oxidoreductases, transferases, hydrolases, lyases, isomerases, ligases. Cofactors are non-protein constituents, those bound to the enzyme to make the enzyme catalytically active. Cofactors are of 3 types. One is proaesthetic group, second is coenzyme, third is metal ions. Proaesthetic group means tightly bound organic compounds. For example, heme group. Coenzyme means loosely bound organic compounds. Usually, vitamins are the examples of coenzyme. Another one is the NAD and NADP, and vitamin niacin are the examples of coenzymes. Metal ions are loosely bound and inorganic compounds. They form coordinate bonds. For example, zinc for enzyme carboxypeptidase. So this was quick review of the enzymes. In my next video, I am going to start the next part of the plant physiology, that is plant growth and development. So be with me. Have a nice day. Have a happy day. Bye bye.